Hey, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm pretty good, just a bit tired. It's been a long day.
Oh no, did you have a busy day?
Yes, work was non-stop. But I got a lot done.
That's good. It's nice to be productive.
Yeah, it is. What about you? How was your day?
Mine was okay. Not too busy. Just the usual.
Did you do anything interesting?
Not really, just some errands after work.
That's always good to get done.
Definitely. It feels nice to check things off the list. So, any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Do you want to do something?
Sure. Maybe we can catch a movie?
That sounds fun. Is there anything you want to see?
There's a new comedy out. I've heard it's really funny.
Perfect. I love comedies. What time do you want to go?
How about Saturday evening? Maybe around 6 p.m.?
Works for me. Do you want to grab dinner after?
That sounds great. Do you have a place in mind?
How about the new Italian place? I heard it's good.
Italian sounds perfect. Let's do it.
Awesome. I'll get the movie tickets.
Thanks. Let me know how much they cost. I'll pay you back.
No problem. I'll text you later with the details.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It'll be nice to hang out.
Agreed. We don't do this often enough.
You're right. We should plan more outings.
Absolutely. Maybe we can make it a monthly thing.
I'd love that. It would be so much fun.
So, are you doing anything tonight?
Just staying in and watching a show. What about you?
Same here. It's nice to relax at home sometimes.
Totally agree. What show are you watching?
I just started a new mystery series. It's really good.
Sounds exciting.
I love a good mystery.
I'll let you know if I recommend it.
Please do. I'm always looking for something new to watch.
Have you watched anything good lately?
Yes, I just finished a sci-fi series that was amazing.
I'll have to check it out. I like sci-fi too.
You'll love it then. I can send you the name of it.